Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really nice three-person swing here by a company called Vevor. They sent this over, and as you can see, it has a nice, large, adjustable canopy. There are brackets on either side, so this canopy can tilt 60 degrees, which is perfect for blocking out the sun. And then as you can see, it has three seats here that are very, very comfortable. The cushions are removable, so if you want to put them in the garage or in storage, when it is either raining or off season, you can do that. The swing itself does latch to keep it from moving on either side, but you can easily remove those so that way it has full swinging. Now this is a 2-in-1 swing. So one of the cool things about this is it actually also folds down into a bed. There are springs on either side. You can pull those out and then lay it down, and now you can lounge even more, which is another really cool feature. I absolutely love about this swing itself. You can grab a book and you can lay down and you can just read. Now let's go over some of the features here of this particular swing. It is about approximately 72 3/4 inches wide. It's about 46 inches in depth, and the height of it's about 69 3/4. The seat itself, however, is a 60-inch wide seat. Now all the cushions, they do have a nice padding on them. They are water resistant. Like I mentioned, they have that Velcro, which makes it easy to remove and clean. They're all made out of an Oxford material, and they're about 2 3/4 inches in thickness. Now, the swing itself can hold up to 750 pounds, so that's why it can hold up to multiple people sitting on this. All the metal frame is built out of a nice powder-coated with caps. It's going to take you probably about 30 to 45 minutes to fully assemble it. I do strongly recommend that you have two people. It makes it easier when putting together the bracket parts, assembling it. Otherwise, after that, it's pretty much easy to do by one person by themselves. But overall, it is an absolutely great swing. I absolutely love the fact that it has lots of options, being able to lay down. It's very comfortable to sit out here. Can lock down the seat itself so that way it's not swinging around in the wind or the rain. And then you have this really nice adjustable canopy to keep the sun out of your eyes. But overall, if you are in the market and you're looking for a great porch swing, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.